In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Dodo Webview on iPhone, so make sure you follow these steps carefully. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once the App Store opens, try searching for Dodo Webview, and in many cases, you won't see it, and instead, you'll see other apps, and this usually happens because Dodo Webview is not available in all regions. Now, to fix this, what you want to do next is tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Now, tap on your Apple ID and then go to Country or Region. Now here, you want to change your App Store region, so scroll through the list and select a different region where Dodo Webview is supported. Now, after selecting the new region, just follow the on-screen steps to confirm the change. Now, once the region is changed, go back to the App Store and search for Dodo Webview again. Now this time, the app should appear, and once you see it, just tap Download and install it normally. Now, after the installation finishes, Dodo Webview will be available on your iPhone and work correctly. And that's it. That's how you download Dodo Webview on iPhone. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.